I am cleaning up this typewriter. It's a Rem-Blick, and I don't know if this is normal or not, so if anybody out there can help me, someone that knows about Rem-Blicks specifically, please let me know if this is normal. But when I press any key, you see how the space bar goes down also? Just ever so slightly. It does go down. I was wondering if that was normal, because if I hold it up, just a little bit of pressure up and hit the key, I have no problem. Also, when it's upside down, this doesn't move when you strike a key. It's only when it's right side up, and you see how it goes down. So I wonder if there's a spring missing on it. I did notice a little hole back in there, but there's no attachment to the main space bar. I don't know if it's missing a spring or not. I don't know if this is even normal. This is the first time I get one of these. So just asking for anybody out there that knows anything about them, please help me out. Thanks.